How to make a ginger root decoction for when your digestive system is slow, you're nauseous, or you just want to warm up on a cold day like today. So you take about an inch of ginger root, you chop it up really fine or pulverize it or mash it. You stick it in a saucepan, and you add 4 to 6 cups of water. And then you bring to a boil, and then you simmer it for 15-20 minutes. Strain it, and you can add a little bit of honey or lemon or salt to make it more potent, and sip on it throughout the day. Drink it up. It will help it move any blockage. It'll warm your digestive system, and it'll help relieve nausea and even some constipation due to like a slow moving bowel. Enjoy and stay warm.